Alright, so we got a 2013 Mini Cooper. It's a 1.6. We're going to do the crank pulley, crank seal, and harmonic balancer because of the oil leak. And it's down inside there. So basically, I'm going to just take this headlight out. Basically, that's it. And then get a tour here. I'll show you in a bit. So I can remove the belt. And then we're going to bring the car up and I'll show you from there. Alright, let's get started. And I'll show you more. Alright, so back to this 2013 Mini Cooper. So to get the belt off, you need to take both headlights out. You need to take this bar off right here. So there's a 10mm, 213, same thing on this side. You also got to take the little tabs, little plastic clips off right here. And then you need to take off this thing here. So you just pry it from here. This thing comes up like this. And basically slide it out just like that. That's it. And then you got to take this tab off and this thing will come off. You also got to take up this, just remove the reservoir to its side, and then you'll be able to get this tool right here, special tool for doing the tensioner. And once you put the tensioner on, you bring it forward, and then there's a little tab there. You can bring it that way, and it'll lock it in place. All right, when we get to that point, I'll show the video. Thank you. Okay, so basically 2 Torx had to come out. That removed this. And basically you can slide that through if you wanted to, but I just left it to the side because I'm just trying to get the belt loosened. And I pulled this thing back just now and I hit that and it holds it basically. So okay, I'm gonna lift the car up and get to the bottom and see what I can do down there. Okay, so I got the inner fender roll off. It takes a few clips, you know, right here. It's on the inside. You take the clips off and a couple of Torx off. And then once you get that, this is revealing. Pretty much 3 E-Torx right there, takes it off. I just cleaned it up, but this is the pulley. Shake it out like that. And then the crank seal is staring at you. So let me figure out the right tool to take that out and we'll continue. Right. Okay, also I had to remove the belt from here, so that's the tensioner. You pull this thing back like this. Basically, see, it moves. This pulls back and it moves back and forth. That's how you completely loosen the belt, so you can get slip the belt out. The belt pretty much just rides on this crank pulley, the AC, and the alternator. That's it. And the rest are just pulleys that rub against the belt, give it tension. Okay, so we're going to remove this seal. I dried it off, that's why it looks dry. It was all wet earlier. Probably going to use a pick or flat blade screwdriver, yank it out, and then I'll show you how to put it back in. Alright, we're going to get the seal out of here. Let's go and use like a pick. Use a pick or flat blade screwdriver. Comes. Really stubborn. kick. And there you go. And it's out. So that's it on that part. Basically just clean it up. Make sure it's dry. You gotta check and make sure you didn't damage nothing. But you gotta be very careful so you don't scar the crank or even the timing cover. Okay, let me get the seal prepped and we'll continue from there. Okay, so on the seal, I'm gonna return the other one because that was a piece of junk. Basically, you need this one that has this tool, so it'll be able to slip over without damaging the seal. Basically, these are the directions. Basically, it needs to wait 4 hours, so once you slip it on and hammer it on, real good, then you need to wait 4 hours before you start the car. You can put it all back together, just can't start the car until 4 hours. Okay, I'm gonna try to put it on. You just pretty much slip it over, feed it around real good, and then tap it lightly with a hammer all the way around it until it's flush with the cranks, with the timing cover. Okay. Okay, so the seal's in, nice and flush. With that tool, it worked pretty good. So basically now it's just in reverse. Put the crank pulley on, feed the belt on, and then release. See that thing right there? You pull that lever back. That's how you loosen that thing up, just so you can get the belt on, and then just push it all the way that direction to close, and that's it. And then go up there and release the tensioner for the belt, and that's basically it. And just put everything back on. The covers here. These bolts are not that big, so don't tighten them over tight. That's basically it. Put everything, basically go in reverse. That's it. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.